Hello everybody, it's Usha Chudasama from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy. Now for those of you who don't know me, I'm a child and adult psychotherapist, I'm a trainer, I'm also the author of this best-selling book, Your Happy Child. And I'm passionate about helping parents to empower their children and heal their own inner child through the experience of adulthood and parenthood. Now, to help both parents and children, I've created a workshop where actually they can work together. There's not many workshops out there that can do that. The workshop is called the Happy Life Skills Workshop. The acronym is HAPPY, and that's the kind of things that we cover in the workshop. These are the modules. Now, over time, I've actually noticed that and I've done different models of this happy workshop. I've worked, where I work with children on their own. I work with parents on their own. I've done a whole class situation. I've done, anyway, all sorts. And I found that actually when parents are working with their children, it actually helps to build the attunement. It helps to create the bond so that children feel acknowledged, they feel seen, and they feel heard, which are three very important things that we as human beings need. And one of the things that children find very difficult to do as they are growing up, as they go through the child development ages and stages and the transitions that they go through, sometimes they find it very hard to verbalize the kinds of feelings that they're feeling. And so, building an emotional literacy, an emotional vocabulary helps them to build that inner resiliency to cope with life. And it helps to bring out their creativity in all sorts of ways. And that is done by understanding our emotions. So we call this module positive emotions, but actually we're talking about all emotions being positive. Sadness, jealousy, anger, all of these are positive emotions depending on how they're used and depending on how far children take them. But if they're not sure how to regulate themselves, then that's where the problems begin. So that's where in this happy workshop we look at that in a bit more depth so that children are able to regulate. So if you want to find out more about this, because obviously this is a great investment. If children are able to understand their emotions and deal with them now, imagine how they'll be able to be resilient when they're teenagers or grown up. So if you want to find out more information, go to the links above and click on them, or you can find out more information from my website healingfeeling.com, or go to my Facebook page, Your Happy Child. That's also my hashtag, or you can contact me via Instagram or Twitter using my handle at Usha Chudasama. Thank you very much. I'm Usha from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy.